Good morning, ma'am. May I know your name, ma'am?
Good morning, I am Wendy Boyce Enrico,
And your age is
33.
33. And may I know how many years of teaching do
9
you
years in
already have?
teaching.
9 years in teaching. So, I have here a few questions. Before taking your licensure examination, what preparation did you make?
Conducting my self-review, and for the school nga nag-conduct po sila kaugalingon nila nga review, nag-attend ko.
So, how many takes or attempts did it
One attempt.
took you to like pass the
One
license?
attempt. One attempt.
One attempt? Oh, okay. And as a professional teacher, how do you handle students who are not performing well in class?
I do some home visitation and one-on-one session for them.
One session. Now for the real questions, how do you consider yourself as a teacher and why? Is it beginning, developing, or proficient?
Since I'm already 9 years in teaching, I consider myself as professional teacher.
Professional teacher. And the second question is, which of the following have you given much considerations in your teaching, and why? Is it their setting, values, traditions, and culture, the global scenario, international developments, and 21st century skills, or their local knowledge, values, culture, 21st century skills, and international development?
And the last
The last one.
choice.
The last one.
So,
So how could you say so, ma'am?
since I am teaching locally,
You're teaching local. And for the third one is, where do you like the most to teach? Is it local or abroad? And why?
local,
Local. Is it because of the learners or the environment or the pay?
environment, pay, and since I don't like to teach abroad. Second question na yun.
Where do you like the most to teach? Is it because the learners, the environment, or the pay?
Both.
Both.
The pay, the environment.
The pay in the environment. So how could you say so that because of the pay in the environment?
Since I don't like teaching abroad, I love teaching here in the Philippines. I love teaching Filipino children, of course.
I see. And how do you consider yourself as a teacher? Is it local, global, or global?
Local but can compete globally.
So in other words, you are a local teacher.
Yes.
So that's all, ma'am. And thank you for participating.
You're welcome.